bro, hungry lah. Come lah, we go mama. Bos, mau order.
Ada customer. Mana customer ni?
Ane, order.
On the way, boss. Mari.
Ane.
On the way. Cepat.
Everything the light touches can be put inside the roti. And everything else, macha, you can tamba cheese. But what you must always remember is to never serve the nasi lemak without sambal.
Bos mau order apa?
Nasi lemak ayam masak merah. Nasi lemak tambah sambal sotong. Telur mantap, teh panas. Okey, bang. Sikit gula.
Remember,